Hello my friends and subscribers, my name is Alexander Stepanov. I'm your personal nail trainer. Every day I'm showing you tutorials of my day-to-day work in the nail studio and working also on my wife's nails and nails of my friends. Now you see me working with nails of my wife. She prefers short gel nails. We started many years ago from very long nails, and now she prefers medium size and short nails, but we don't use gel polish. We always work with hard products because she doesn't like when nails are breaking on the second week, and also her nail plate is not so strong, and hard products helps us to protect the nail plate from breakings and liftings. You know guys, people and nail technicians who started work on products from shapeofnail.com, the sculpting mix gel, the special gel primers, they becoming more and more popular, they becoming successful, and they chat with me, they contact me to thank me because they solved a lot of problems with liftings, and their clients are happy because products allow them to avoid such problems that they had before. So these products are so amazing. They would make you grateful. They will make a great nail technician, and your clients will be happy to have such strong, beautiful nails which never become yellow, become dirty. I mean, top coats are so top coats have good quality too, and of course the main product is sculpting mix gel because it's flexible and strong, and we can use it on all phases on work and on any type of the nail plate. What we just can do is to prepare the nail plate as it's needed and apply the base gel with the clear gel. So you can order the clear gel from shapeofnail.com or the sculpting mix gel and use these products as a base. Cure this product in 1 minute in LED lamp, and after we are applying the second thick layer of the same gel and cure it at the same time. The first base gel penetrates into the nail plate, and the second layer it creates the builder coat which protect the nail from breakings. The first layer is protecting from liftings, the second protecting from breakings and scratches and other problems. Okay guys, as you can see, this gel is thick enough. As you can see, it's like jelly, because I to keep before my work, I kept this product in the fridge because we're at home and we have hot temperature now, so I'm protecting this nail, this gel. I don't want it to be so liquid, so I protect it keeping in the fridge or in the cold place. And you guys should remember that It's better to keep product in the cold place or work in the cold place, because the product is easy to work with this product. It doesn't flow, and of course the client has the temperature 36 degrees, and naturally it heats the nail plate. But we work fast and we try to apply the nail, work with it until it becomes hot, and until it starts leaking or flowing. Okay, I hope you understand, guys. After curing the product, we are using the file, the personal file of the client. So as you can see, this one is not the new, so we can work it because it became lower grid, because for example when this file was new, it was about 80 grid, but we worked a lot with this file and it's softer, and it's much better to work with this one because the sharp files always cut the client. So you should be very careful when you are working with the client with the new sharp file. So it's better sometimes to blend the file, shaping this file on the other file up and down to remove the sharp corner from the file. And of course, when you are shaping the nail and when you are shaping the square shape, it's better to make such motions like you are shaping the tube. So this is the main secret of shaping square shape forms. My wife prefers exactly this shape because she thinks that it's more modern and trend, looks stylish, looks beautiful. And I think I agree with her, and I think that rounded nails are not suitable for every client. I think for half of clients it's better to make square shape of nails. And of course, if you are good in shaping nails, if you are working with good products, this way you should make square shape nails. Okay guys, you can order this product on theshapeofnail.com, and now they have large sales, so you can order a lot of products on the small amount of money. You can order it, and shipping is not so long. It's becoming faster and faster because the COVID in Russia is slowing down. It's becoming less, and our services are working faster and faster. And I think you will receive these products very fast. Okay guys, after shaping nails we're using the buffer. This is very important to prepare the nail plate for every kind of the nail design. For example, when I'm drawing flowers or deco lines, or preparing it for gel polish, we're working with a buffer. It's very important. and removing the old dust. As you can see, nails which covered with the sculpting mix gel already look natural and beautiful, so soft, so you can just cover nails with the top coat, and this result will be enough for many of clients. But some clients enjoy something more, so add the gradient. Like in this case, I'm working with the square shape brush, flat brush, and I'm applying the horizontal gradient. When you do it at the first time, it will definitely seem to you very hard to apply the gradient. The gradient will seem to you not so neat and not ideal. But please don't worry, guys, you should just apply this gradient, and you can use the milky semi-transparent color, cover this gradient, and this milky color would cover all the gaps, all the faults, all bad things, and the gradient would be looking ideal. So as you can see, I'm just trying to apply the gradient of two colors. I have cured the first layer in LED lamp, and I'm applying the second layer. Of course, now the gradient is not ideal. In some areas you can see the floated gel. In some areas we can see more product, so this is not the ideal. But we should mix clear gel with some drops of gel paint. You can order gel paint from the shapeofnail.com. This costs $1 or couple of dollars, and mix it with the top coat, like you can see on the video. So we just take one drop of the gel paint and mix with the top coat. This top coat has tacky layer. You can use any type of top coat for creating this milky color. So just remember, the gel paint of any sand color from shapeofnail.com, nude tone of the gel paint, and clear top coat. So you know, guys, just sometimes nail technicians order the special milky colors or toners which has semi-transparent effect, but I don't prefer to order these colors because they are not so popular, and I mean not so popular. I'm using it in rare situations, but in case when I need them, I just mix clear product with the gel paint, and I have the good result. As you can see, the gradient is becoming more deep, and it looks much better, especially when you use the matte top coat. I forgot to tell you that I have mixed the gel paint with exactly matte top coat for creating such effect. So the matte top coat and the clear and the gel paint makes such effect of matte gloss. So this is the matte gloss. I have mixed white gel paint for the French manicure, which you can also find on shapeofnail.com. Have mixed it with the pink gel paint. You can mix it with the pink gel paint of any brand, and you can create such beautiful patterns, 3D patterns, using this gel paint in seconds. It perfectly keeps its shape, and you can also mix black gel paint with any type of gel paint of brown color, and the brown gel paint for the French manicure. You will have the same effect. So we can create quick bows, 3D bows, using gel paints, but don't forget to quickly place hand into the LED lamp after each cut. So guys, we should make the final step to shape flow the gel, and here we go. This is so sweet and beautiful set of gel nails. If you like it, don't forget to click that like button, subscribe to my channel, order products from shapeofnail.com, and watch my next videos every day. Bye!